There's like no beef inside, okay? I borrow chopstick first. You can share one together. Okay, right, so this one is dry beef salad. This one is like the beef, dry beef, and the peanut. And this is the green papaya and the mince and no coriander. Okay. And the sauce in the bottom. And this one before eating, we have to mix up. We have to mix this up first. I borrow chopstick. Sorry, madam. You have to mix this up first together. You have to mix this first, mix this, mix this up, mix this, mix this up.
Oh, you like? Oh, you moved on to south on the way there.
Mix this like this. I mean, I was born with chopstick, but still very hard to mix this up. It is very, very crazy. Sometimes I ask the people why don't put this one in bigger bowl, you know? But I think they're very smart because when they put the food in small plate, it looks like bigger portion, and they can get more money, right? So I think they're very smart businessmen. It's good, so that's okay, right? Yeah. And this for chopstick, and this for and this for you. Okay. Let me make it for you. I use another chopstick. Sorry, sir. And this one is for because she doesn't eat meat. So
this is raw, right?
It's the same, but just no beef. So don't worry. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And yours. And you can share with her. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining the food tour in Hanoi. Welcome to Vietnam.